Bring the classical beauty and powerful performance of the Cuisinart home with this timeless classic. A blending of stainless steel and black painted steel makes this toaster a must-have for those who desire classical culinary design. The compact stainless Cuisinart 2-slice toaster brings retro classic design to your home and delivers performance with powerful features such as reheat, bagel, and defrost functions. Cleanup is easy with the removable crumb tray. It even has a cord wrap underneath the unit to manage unsightly power cords while not in use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Bagel Function. Bagel Setting heats the upper half of the bagel only for a crispy top and a soft, chewy bottom. The way a bagel should be. If you enjoy a bagel that is crispy on both sides, no need to engage the bagel button. Just toast it like you would a normal piece of bread without pressing the bagel button. Number 2. Shade Control Setting. The Shade Control Setting offers a full range of browning options to allow the perfect customization of any piece of bread. Number 3. Multiple Toasting Functions. This unit comes with the following toasting functions: toast for normal bread and toasting, bagel upper half toasting only, first defrost then toast frozen bread. Reheat allows to reheat toast bread without browning or burning it. Cancel stops all toasting operation. Number 4. Extra wide slots. 1.5 inches toaster slots allow for a wide variety of items to be toasted with the Cuisinart Compact Toaster. Number 5. High lift lever. When your bread is finished toasting, the toaster carriage pops up. Sometimes the size of the bread may prevent the bread from popping clear out of the toaster. Cuisinart offers a high lift lever that allows the user to boost the lever upwards, thus lifting the bread clear out of the unit for easy removal from the toaster with your fingers. Number 6. Using the defrost setting. The defrost setting is designed to first defrost and then toast your bread, which extends the toasting cycle slightly. Number 7. Compact design with stainless steel construction, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.